This is an exhaust leak. And this piece of crap flex pipe. And it's also causing oxygen sensor code. Quality stuff. Well, that was a fun time with the Sawzall. Piece of junk. New piece tacked in. It's gonna be a real pain to weld, but we'll do it. So, finally got this thing welded in. Doesn't look terrible. Problem was, I couldn't see the top. The tops of the welds look awful. Sides don't look bad, considering. Got a piece of stainless pipe in the middle. But, you know, I would like to just tacked it up and taken it out, but as you can see, everything's very crusty. Crusty bolts there. Crusty bolts up on the exhaust manifold. I just want to play snap the bolts today, so I'm pretty sure I got the tops and bottoms decently. I got the tops, I got the bottoms anyway. The bottoms look good. Two top sections might be a little questionable, but they're in. It is what it is. Be a lot better than it was before. And this is the awesome leaky piece of garbage I pulled out. See right through the damn thing. I love it. Sounds good. No leaks. Ugly so welds are, there's no leaks. They're good to go.